Section 5. Comfort and convenience. Your home away from home. Step inside the Telluride, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and inviting interior that's as comfortable as it is stylish. The seats are supportive and adjustable, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for even the tallest passengers. The Telluride also offers a variety of convenience features, including tri-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a road trip, the Telluride will make sure you arrive in comfort and style. Section 6. Exterior appeal. Turning heads wherever you go. The Telluride is one good-looking SUV. It's got a bold and rugged design that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The Telluride's exterior is both stylish and functional. The LED headlights and taillights provide excellent visibility, while the available roof rails allow you to carry all your gear. And with a variety of exterior color options to choose from, you can personalize your Telluride to match your unique style. Section 7. The competition holding its own in a crowded field. Now, the Telluride isn't the only game in town. There are plenty of other great mid-size SUVs on the market, like the Hyundai Palisade, Honda Pilot, and Toyota Highlander. But the Telluride more than holds its own against the competition. It offers a winning combination of style, performance, safety, and value that's hard to beat. The Telluride is a well-rounded SUV that's sure to please even the most discerning buyer. Section 8. Conclusion. The Telluride's time to shine. Well folks, there you have it. The 2024 Kia Telluride is one impressive SUV. It's got everything you could ever want in a family vehicle, and then some. So if you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to put the Telluride on your list. It's a winner. This is Jay Leno signing off. Keep those engines revving.